In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to a label in Gmail. First, open your browser and search for Gmail. In the address bar at the top, type the word Gmail, then press enter. On the results page, look for the official Gmail link from Google, which usually appears near the top. The link will mention Google Mail, and you will see the familiar Gmail logo next to it. Click that result to open the Gmail sign-in page or your inbox depending on whether you are already logged in. Once Gmail opens, log in if you are not already logged in. On the sign-in page, type your Google account email address, then click Next. On the following screen, enter your password, then click Next again. If your details are correct, your Gmail inbox will load. You will know you are in the right place when you see a list of emails in the center and folders like Inbox and Sent on the left side. If you use more than one Google account, make sure you sign in with the account where the email you want to label actually lives. Now that you are in your inbox, select the email, find the message you want to add to a label in the list. You can either click once on the small checkbox to the left of the sender name or click anywhere on the email row to open it. When the email is highlighted or opened, Gmail knows that this is the message you want to work with. If the email is open, you will see its full content in the main area with icons along the top. If you only checked it in the list, you will see that row shaded with a check in the box. From there, an option should appear at the top. Click the three-dot icon. Look above the email list or above the open message, and you will see several icons in a horizontal row. One of them looks like three vertical dots. This is the More Options button. Move your mouse over it, and you will see a small label that says More or More Actions. Click this three-dot icon once. A drop-down menu will open under it with several options related to the selected email. Beginners often overlook this menu, but many useful controls, including labeling, live here. Next up, look for Label As and then select the label. In the drop-down menu, find the option called Label As. When you hover over it, another small panel appears showing a list of your existing labels. These might look like folders with names such as personal or work, depending on what you have set up. Click on the label you want to apply to this email. As soon as you click, the panel closes and the email now belongs to that label. You can confirm this by seeing the label name displayed next to the email subject in the list. You have just added a Gmail email to a label so you can find it faster later. If that helped, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick Gmail tips.